Hey guys, so if your treadmill is showing the E6 error code, don't worry, this is one of the most common treadmill errors on brands like Nordic Track, Proform, Soul, and Horizon. Most of the time, E6 means the console and motor control board are not communicating properly, so the treadmill shuts down as a safety feature. In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest steps to fix it. Step 1. Power reset the treadmill. Unplug the treadmill for 5 full minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on again. Step 2. Check the console cable connection. Remove the console cover and check the main wire harness or ribbon cable. Make sure it's fully plugged in and not loose. Step 3. Check wiring down the frame. Follow the cable from the console down into the base. Look for pinched wires, broken insulation, or loose connectors. Step 4. Inspect the motor control board. Open the motor hood and locate the motor control board. Check for burn marks, melted spots, or loose plugs. Step 5. Reseat connections and test. Unplug and reconnect the main connectors firmly. Then power on and test the treadmill.